everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing how to make this delicious simple vegetable sauce. There is no meat inside. This is vegan friendly. Okay, so now let's head over to the ingredients. Alright guys, these are the ingredients. I'm going to be using some mushrooms, some bell peppers. I'm using green and red bell peppers. Okay, I already used my food processor to process them. And here is my onion. I'm using one onion already processed as well, and one big carrot as well. You can add other vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and the rest. So that is my salt, soy sauce, conjo seasoning, a little bit of curry, garlic powder, thyme, black pepper. I'm also going to be using extra virgin of olive oil for this ingredient. So right now I'm going to add oil into my pan. Allow the oil to heat up a little bit. So now I'm going to add in my onion, and I'm going to season that onion with the conjo seasoning. Just a pinch is enough, okay? A pinch of all the seasoning. So after stirring them, I'm going to season them with the conjo seasoning, a little bit of curry, garlic powder, a little bit of thyme, black pepper, and any other seasoning of your choice. So after like 3 minutes of sauteing the onion, I added the carrots. Now I'm going to stir them and add the bell peppers as well. So after adding the bell peppers, I'm going to add in some salt and the soy sauce. I'm using a tablespoon of soy sauce. You can skip the soy sauce if you don't want to use them, okay? So afterwards, I'm going to allow that vegetable to cook down for a couple of minutes before adding the mushroom. Mushroom are going to be the last thing to add. Alright guys, after some minutes over the low heat, I used low heat, lowest heat to cook this. I'm going to add in the mushroom and allow the mushroom to cook for like 5 minutes or so, depends how you want yours to be cooked. Then I will take them out of the heat. This sauce is very simple to prepare. And over to that other pot is my white rice cooking over there. You can use potato to enjoy this sauce. You can use anything of your choice. You can have them as side dish, just whichever way you prefer to use this sauce. They are very delicious, simple to put together. And that is all guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.